In this video we look at how a bus works. Let's start with the theory. A typical bus is shown here. As you can see, all inputs and all outputs are connected to each other. The problem lies hidden in the electronics. Interconnecting all inputs is possible without any problems. We have already done this several times in our circuits. However, connecting two outputs together causes a small problem. If the outputs have different values, this results in a classic short circuit. And then something always burns out. Therefore you need a circuit that prevents this. In electronics this is done by something called a tristate. Instead of the usual two states 0 and 1, this has a third state at the output, called high resistance. This condition prevents a short circuit. Since this isn't an electronic simulation, let's keep it simple. We convert this truth table into code. We simulate the high resistance state by simply not passing on the value of A. We first create a new component. Now we build a circuit with two inputs and outputs, as well as two control options. We connect everything via our new component and finally we connect everything via a line. Let's test this a little now. At the end we will create another component that we will use as a gate to create our registers. We are rebuilding our circuit and now using our new gate component. We're testing the whole thing again now and we like it that way. In the next video we will build the corresponding registers.